Senators lament the supposed loopholes in the SIM registration after a photo of a monkey was accepted in the verification process. During a Senate hearing, the National Bureau of Investigation had disclosed that the online application system for SIM registration accepted a registrant using a photo of the animal. For its part, Globe Telecom told Radio 5 that companies use optical character recognition or OCR in the verification process. He explained that as long as the details on the application form and the picture on the ID match, it will go through the DELCO systems.
Minamatch lang po yung detalye na pinasok sa application form, doon sa online application form, at saka doon sa government ID na presenta. Kaya kung ang unggoy ang niligay sa ID at unggoy din ang nag-selfie, ay malamang papasok po talaga yon. Ganun naman po talaga yan. May nakakalusot. Pero ang susunod yan is i-validate na natin ngayon ang mga registration. Sigurado ipapa-deactivate lahat po mga yon.